Hello everyone, welcome to Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I went to my Dollar Tree looking for bee theme goodies and I found these. Look at this, how cute, right? I love them. The bees are copper, but you can always repaint it if you don't want copper beads. I think they're adorable. And then just lift the latch and then you can drop your tea light in there and close it back up. How cute, right? I was thinking about putting all this stuff in my tier tray. I think it'll be adorable. And then I can always hang this up outside too. I think it'll look cute, right? Like if I can get like a post and I can hang them like at different lengths down the post. How cute. I think that's a really good idea. If I can find some more, I will pick up some more. But these were just like flying off the shelf. And then I picked up some jars. Look at this. It's like an amber jar or bottle. And it comes with a very cute bee charm. And I just love the horizontal stripes on the bottle. I like it. So yeah, it reminded me like a beehive, right? With the horizontal stripes. I think this will look cute in my tier tray also. And then I also picked up these two. I like them. So this is like a smoky bottle with a gold edging. It's cute. I can leave it just like this in the on the tray, or if I decide to, I can always tuck something in there. And then there's this one. This one is like a blue shade bottle, and they paint that bottle with some black paint and rimmed it with some gold paint. This one's a little bit on the wear side, so I may do a little touch up with some chalk paint. I think that'll be cute. I like it. And then I found these. These are little trinket holders. This one, see the white finish? It's like a chalky finish. And it's got the beehive design on there. And it's got the bee on top too. See, it's like a raised edge. So, it is really cute. And then the inside, you can put whatever you want in there. I picked up one in the white, and then I picked up one in the gold. Look at this. I like it. And then the whole trinket is gold. Piece of paper. I like this. It's going to look stunning, whatever I'm going to decorate. I might even just put it on the shelf. I don't know. My idea was to do a tier tray, but now I'm thinking, well, maybe I'll do like a little vignette on one of the side tables. And then I found these towels. They're it says heavyweight. They're 15 by 25-inch towels. And this is that microfiber towel. I don't mind. I like these towels. They're cute. See? It's quite a large piece, isn't it? I like it. I love the colors. I think that's what it is. The yellow and the brownish tones and the black to gray tones. I think it's really pretty. I don't know, this may be one of those things I put on the chair and I'm like, don't use that towel. That's decoration only. So I picked up two of these towels. Here we go. Two towels for me. This is really cute. Speaking of towels, I also picked up this infinity scarf. It is 68 inches by 10 inches. And it has the bee theme on there. Look at this. Just adorable. It matches the towel perfectly. And it goes with the whole theme, right? You see there? I can even use this one as a scarf and then just pile the stuff on like this. Right? Oh, I like this. It is really cute. I like it. But I can also use this as a tree skirt too. Right? Adorable. I picked up one. I also picked these up. This is Tabletop Decor. And this says Be Blessed with the gnome. He's holding like a gold heart and he's got bees flying all around. So what, it must be like a honey heart, right? How cute. I was so happy that I was able to find everything and what I was looking for. And look at this. I picked up two because one's for my table and then the other one I can tuck into the tray, right? I'm not sure yet, but I wanted to have it just in case I needed that extra one. And then I also picked up this one. This is Farm Fresh Honey, harvested by our gnomies. Oh, such adorable gnomies. I love the frame on this. It's the whitewash frame. It is really cute. So I have that one to use somewhere. And then I went ahead and picked up this one too. This is Sunflower Market since 1910. Locally grown farm produce, seeds, stems, blooms. Again, look at the frame, this whitewash frame. And they all go together really well. See there? And if you didn't want the whitewash one, you can always coordinate it with this frame, right? Just take some paint and do your blocking all the way around. But how cute. They're so adorable. Okay, let me see. Let me tuck it here. I also found these. This is like a honeycomb frame set in one piece. And it's a table decor also. And this one says, let it be. You got the bee and then you got the beehive hut. Is that what it's called? The beehive. I like it. It's so adorable. I'm so happy Dollar Tree brought out this whole collection for us. Just cute. Look at this one. Okay, so this must be that beekeeper, right? And then here's the beehive. And then this one says be happy. And of course you got the bee there. And then this one. What do you guys think? That's so cute. You got the honeycomb on this side with the bees, and then you got the Nomi with the honey. She's adorable. And look. And then this says show me the honey. I love them. They're so cute. Look at this. Put them all here. They're just adorable. I love it. So I picked up the one set and I can put that somewhere too. And then look at this. I found the plates. Isn't that cute? I picked up 2 salad plates. One of them I want to just display as is, like I'm gonna put it in a plate stand and just show it off like that. It'll be cute. And then I picked up the dinner plate too. I picked up only one. Oh, look at this, how beautiful. So I want to make a tier tray out of this. So I have the dinner plate here, and then I'm going to take this and put it on here. So I'll have 2 tiers. How cute is that going to look? I know I have a new obsession. I'm making tier trays out of everything. I see new stuff. I'm like, ooh, I'm going to make myself a tier tray. So look at this. Oh, just gorgeous. It's going to look awesome on my table. I just knew it. Because the plates are just so beautiful. I like it. I hope your store has this so you guys can take a look at it. It's such a beautiful design on there. I am on the watch out for the cups. My store did not have the cups yet, so I want to pick up one of the cups. So I may have to travel to a different store to find it, but I will hunt one down. And then I found this too. This was in the discount bin for 75 cents. It says gratitude is the best attitude. But how cute. I want to DIY this and work it into this whole bee collection. And I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do with the numbers yet, or the cubes, but I'm going to keep it. I'm going to add it. And yeah, I picked up one. And then I also picked up a few other things. At one of my stores, I found this. This was the last one on the shelf. It is a Tinsel patriotic star. It is quite large. Let me see. Oh, it looks to be 14 inches across. I think this would look really good on a wreath. That's why I picked it up. I like it. I even love the stars, the holographic stars. See, how cute is this, right? I like it. Not often do I find like the tinsels in my stores. You know, like the decorative stuff. When I do find them, they're usually like small chunky pieces. So I'm quite happy I found this large piece. So I picked this one up. And then let's see what else did I find. I picked up some napkins. This is the dinner napkins. I mean, you only get 8 napkins, but I love these. These are nice large napkins. It doesn't show the size on here, but yeah, they're really nice, and they're very soft too. So I picked up one with the gold flamingo, and then I also found it in the pink flamingo. So cute, right? And they also have the one with the pineapple too, if you want a pineapple. I like just using this on the main table so everybody can use it. You know, family loves soft stuff. So I'm like, okay, I guess I'll share. And then I found these. I'm quite happy. I have seen some of you ladies haul this, and I've been just waiting and waiting. I finally found it. So I picked up 3 of these. I picked up the white seahorse one because you'll find it in like the grayish tone also. And I love the greenery that it comes with. Look at this. It's all like a sea. Oh, it's called a coastal pick. And it's the part of the shore living decor. They only had 3 picks in this color, so I went ahead and picked up all 3. I like it. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to decorate with it, but I wanted to have it on hand. Now, if I find some more, I would like to pick up some more. Yeah, I just find these to be so cute. I've never seen anything like this from Dollar Tree, so thank you, Dollar Tree. You have made me happy again. I mean, look at all this bee stuff that I found to begin with. It's just amazing. And then the last item I picked up was this. This is a puzzle saver. I like this, and I use it on my scrapbooking projects because look, it laminates and preserves. I like it. So if you guys need something for your scrapbooking, um, use this. So instead of Mod Podge, I use this to like as a sealant, and I like it that it doesn't get all milky, and it doesn't mess with the picture itself. Like if I were to put it on here, it wouldn't mess with the paper or anything like that, and I like the way it looks when it dries. So yeah, I picked up one more. That is everything that I picked up on this trip. I am very happy that I found this whole bee collection. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love them. So cute. And yeah, I love these jars too. I just love the whole thing. It's just so cute. And the towels, of course. I love these. And then look at this. I love this scarf. I should have picked up 2, tell you the truth. I don't know what I was thinking. I only picked up 1. Well, I will check my store to see if they still have any in stock. And I want to go ahead and pick up 1 more of these infinity scarves. Now, you don't necessarily have to use this as an infinity scarf. See where it's sewn together here? Just take that apart and then you have 1 long scarf that way. Look at this. And you can use it to drape your tables, your chairs, your tier trays. And then if you want, you can always cut it in half too, right? Now you have 2 pieces instead of 1 long piece. And you can use it as a table runner too. Multi-purpose. I just love these. I hope that you find everything on your wish list the next time you go to Dollar Tree. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.